When we hunting for the dough, nothing done funny, ain't it? I pesh down in a man, I represent for fear Edjahz. You know it go, ain't it? Bra!
Pick her up, Paddy be my fishy brag. Say she want shop, left something under the bag. Hold that about your back.
Blessings and honor, glory and power. You don't know if you may just stay up on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who don't subscribe it, nothing at all no change. The door is always open, so I know if you go do. On this show up Buckley definitely go on. And in the hot seat we have dancehall giant, the turf boss, Busy Signal. Talks a go around and say Busy thief couple lyrics from a popular dancehall artist. The artist go by the name of Black Mattic. In a real life, I want my co-worker them bring it to my attention and I want to block them. You can go check out him channel and also subscribe to it. We are talking about the Great Vibes Entertainment YouTube channel. Yeah man, the G I do him thing, I regular check out him video them. Anyways, I him bring this situation to my attention through one and video them. But who don't know if Edjahz style will work with evidence. Remember, we're not the instigating work around here.
Respect, you know like tea full of stab. 14 shot in a the barrel and no crab. If I no big food but a jack.
Now, after my co-worker doing vlog, I do my research on the artist Black Mattic. And in a real life, the artist do have a buzz people. I can't believe say this is a forward to for me know the artist. Him talented plus him have fame fan base. So I not go on like say TR0UBLE are the bigger artist. Him can't teach the entertainer style. The artist actually have a buzz out there, so him think them a reach places and a reach years. So I'm not going to say Busy thief him style. Nah, I'm not going to say Busy never thief him style. All I know I'm going to get confirmation so the artists are looking to it. The street attack and it have the artists a wonder now. We don't know if you might take legal actions or I'm going to pre-Busy or I'm going to allow it. All I know it reach from the artist radar to the street attack. And we are going to show them exactly what I go on.
When she see me, yeah, she glad. When she see me, she say God.
Not only that, but we also have a couple highlights with young, talented, bad artist Kyodi a tear up over so. Don't know a road that take time, up not back and artists them and get them bookings. Remember say from where they a whole heap of young gun bus in a corona, you know. So because of that the artists them never did that get for fly. Now the road that take time free up back bookings are forwarding pan a rapid. So we are gonna show a little highlights with Kyodi and mash up over so. And we are talking about over the England side people. Big man thing, I'm proud of the artists cause we're there and see the journey where I'm forward from. So of course me I happy for share this on my platform. Also, we are talking about the artist new slang where I run the place. Him distribute that one here through a work piece, people. Obviously, remember he's an artist. And the exact music video I want to see a display now and then him do it, you know. It is entitled Body and a that of the slang. So we are talking little about that music video, but first, make we get the cascas out of the way. And that is Busy Signal being accused of stealing couple lines out of Black Mattic track. People are right here, so it starts.
Wagwan my dead, to wagwan at the world better you guy your bed. Not turning at the place if you party dead. Yeah, no man no fi wiggle like a 40 leg.
Yo dog, me not talk to dead. We are on street, we are do it like 40 leg. Pocket these slim like a slice of shorty bird.
So them there the first line them we are gonna talk about the two track them. As you can see, I play the Busy Signal track first, then after I play the Black Mattic one. And as you can hear, Busy say him can't stand in at the place if the party dead. No man no for wiggle like a 40 leg. Black Mattic line go now, yo dog, me not talk to dead. We are on street, we are do it like 40 leg. No talk to people, it close for real. Black Mattic die-hearted fans them definitely know what them attack say. Me maybe never know the artist, but him have loyal fans out there will listen him track them 24/7. So maybe when them a listen to Busy track them pause and stay and say, hold on, no my artist line this. Anyways, make we go in at the next line.
One special line, three gal. Yo me general, three gal. Pirate beer, all of them are free gal.
4 gal me send 4 texts. First one me love the side chick, I get the 4 text. 4 of them are hustle on the side, you know the 4x.
So right there the artist got 4 gal, Busy Signal got 3 gal. Bear in mind at the same set of track them we are talk about, you know people. Busy Signal one is entitled Wagwan Maded, while Black Mattic one named 4. It can be say Busy Signal rate Black Mattic and I listen him song. And not even I notice him I use couple lyrics from it cause it can go so for real, you know people. While it can still be coincident. Although the first line them we talk about kind of 3 similar, you know people. The dead and the 40 leg, yeah man, that kind of 3 close. Anyways, as I said before, we not run with certain updates until we see say legit. Now Vibes Entertainment bring it to me attention like I'm telling you before. Him recognize the street attack about the similarities about the two songs them. So him do a vlog about it, I go check out Black Mattic page, I see him put up nothing. And I go check out Busy Signal page, I see him put up nothing and I say nothing. And we are talking about at that time upon the vlog of Vibes Entertainment do. Now currently speaking, Black Mattic repost back Vibes Entertainment vlog.
Black Mattic drop a song when name Blackhead, you understand? Yeah man, and then Missy Busy Signal comes so boom and drop a song when name Wagwan Madhead. You understand people, watch here now. Black Mattic song name Blackhead, you know, and Busy Signal drop a song when name Wagwan Madhead. You see pre, so the name of the song right there, so people, the name of the song close. You know, understand what me I try to say? The name of the song close, and when me check it out, I know just the name alone close enough people.
And him caption that post with a question mark saying no comments, which definitely show we say the artist are pre-Wagwan. Now, as I said before, me don't know what the next move from the entertainer. Me don't know if I'm going to take legal action, or I'm a pre say a Buck Revives Entertainment attack. We don't know exactly what the next move, but all me know the artists are pre. Leave in the comment here and let me know what you think about the situation. Tell me what you think I gonna be Black Mattic next move. For now, my advice on if you go check out the artists and tune in, because me definitely depend watch. You don't know how Edjahz get to work.
We just different dog. You know rate to then avoid we. No. Bad evil gel style.
So that's Kyodi new official music video entitled Body, and people are the exact thought that the artists are run with from where they and look like the street that take time gravitate to it. Don't know as entertainers you have to have slang out there, you know, people. And more we see Kyodi are getting at the groove of the game. It's hard to study this type of artist. Today me give a vibes the track we have the place well active. Tomorrow me tackle the girl them. Then all the next day I'm go grimy settings. Now today we are talking about how I beat them bad with style. More and more the artists are stamp him name. I definitely love that work piece here. Plus the slang bad. Body.
No, everybody fake, no just a Chinese. That's why me not nice, I get my grimy.
Pussy them a play for Serbi fine.
Definitely one for go check out from the artist. The chorus shot it very catchy. Plus him style where him using at the verse them. But the artist never got hard in terms of lyrics, you know, cause we all know by now say Kyodi very lyrical. Him beat them bad with style in this one. But definitely I recommend when people them for go check out this music video if them haven't as yet. It was released a couple days ago on Kyodi Bad Jenna YouTube Viva channel. Look on the flat when I see a link to that one. Go over there, watch the music video, listen to the track keenly and leave an honest opinion in the comment area. For now, big up the artist, him truly bad.
Pick her up, I be my fishy brag. So she want shop, left so under the bag.
There are some girl too. I don't know what they get stressed more while they got a bar and go turn rummy. Brother, we never tell us to go turn rummy when they use sing certain song. We tell us to enjoy yourself, don't baby. But everything have a limit, don't it? That's when you go like a too jump. You don't ever look back and tell them. You don't ever look back and tell them.
That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers who stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
New empire that a bad. Body.